So, ladies and gentlemen, in this discussion, we are looking at how we can use PERT to determine the critical path or the path that is going to give us the duration that a project is going to take to completion. But now we are given PERT in the form of course, PERT gives us estimates of times, which is optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic. So now what do we do with these days? So what we are going to put here is expected time, TE, and this is equal to T naught plus 4TM plus TP, and everything divided by 6. So that means I'm going to get 4, okay, plus 6 times 4, that is 24, plus that is 28, plus that. So 28 plus 14, I divide by 6, I'll get 7. I get 2, okay, 3 times 4, that is 12, plus 2, that is 14. 14 plus okay, this is 12. 12 plus 4, that is 16. 16 plus 2, that is 18. And 18 divided by 6, you get 3. Then this is 64. 64 plus this is 70, 71. And 71, this becomes 90. So 90 divided by that, I'll have 15. So this one also gives me 7, this gives me 3, then 2. So it is from here, of course, we have used this formula, and we have now the expected time. So we can get, we can do the critical path method and then get that. So let's look at A. We are using, let's use activity on node. So we begin with A. So remember, if you have A is taking how many days? A is taking 7 days. That's the expected time. That's what we use here. And starting from 0, and we'll end at 7 days. So when you finish A, you go to B. This is B. And B takes how many days? It takes 3. So this B will start after A. So this is 7 plus this, that is 10. Then after B, we got C. This is 10. And C takes 15 days. So if this is 15, this is 25. From C, we said from B we got C. And then from A we go to D. Again from A we are going to D. And this is taking 7 days. 7 days. So since this is also ending at within the 7th day, this will start within the 7th day, the earliest. So this becomes 14 days. So from D we go to E. So from D and B, from D and E, so we are going to determine. So this is E and takes 3 days. So this is E. E also takes 3 days. So the maximum among these ones is actually 10, is 14. So the earliest start time is going to be 14 days. So when we add 3, we get 17. Then C and E give rise to F. So C and E are giving F. So F is taking 2 days. So of this, the largest number of days are from the early finish of C. So it's going to be 25. So I add 2, I'll have 27 days. So meaning the project duration is 27 days. So that was the forward pass. Let's do the backward pass. So when we do the backward pass, this is going to be 27. So this is 25. Then as we are going backwards, this is going to be 25 and this is going to be 25. So when I subtract here, this becomes 10. When I subtract here, this becomes 25 minus 3, that is 22. So this is 22 minus 7, this is 15. Okay, so this is 10 also, and that is 7. So that is 7, obviously, and this is going to be 0. So, which activities are getting us slack equal to 0? That is, if you have latest finish minus earliest finish is equal to 0. Or latest start minus earliest start is equal to 0. So let's look at this. So one is here, another one is here, another one is here, and another one is there. So meaning the critical path is that. So this is going to be A, B, C, and that is F. So add the times for A, B, C, F, and C if we get 27. So this is going to be 7. The number of days are going to be 7 plus 3 here, plus 15, and plus 2. So this is 27 days. And that's all. So that's how we can use PERT, the mini program evaluation and review technique, to determine the estimate of project duration. Because we do that actually by first getting the estimate for each activity, and after getting the estimate for each activity, then we get the estimate for full completion of the project.